In this short video, you will learn how to clean and maintain JetPeel by TavTech handpieces. In order to ensure optimal results and avoid malfunction, JetPeel by TavTech handpieces must only be used together with the TavTech JetPro devices and the JetCare liquid solutions. JetPeel offers a range of different sterile and non-sterile handpieces suited to various aesthetic applications. Sterile handpieces include the triple jet, single jet narrow, and prestige jet plus, and are for single use only. Non-sterile handpieces include the triple jet, double jet, and single jet narrow. Non-sterile handpieces may be used for maximum 10 treatment sessions or 2 weeks after opening the pouch, the earlier of the two. Cleaning and correctly maintaining the handpieces after you finish every treatment session is crucial for the handpieces to remain fully functional. The non-sterile handpieces must be cleaned immediately after finish the JetPeel treatment session to avoid any possible handpiece blockage and malfunction. To clean the non-sterile handpieces, you have 3 options. First option, use the JetCare Hydro. Once you finish the treatment session, insert the spike with the cap open into the JetCare Hydro solution bottle and hang the bottle on the JetPeel device holder. Then press the foot pedal for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove the spike from the JetCare Hydro bottle and press again the foot pedal and make sure there is no water comes out from the handpiece nozzle. Dry the handpieces is very important. Second option, use distilled water. Place the spike with the cap open into a glass of distilled water at the room temperature. Now press the foot pedal for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove the spike from distilled water and press again the foot pedal until there is no water comes out from the handpiece nozzle. Remember, dry the handpieces is very important. Third option is use still mineral water from the bottle. Do not use tap water. Tap water may contain a trace element that can block the handpieces. Place the handpiece spike with the cap open into a glass of mineral water at the room temperature. Press the foot pedal for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove the spike from mineral water. Press again the foot pedal until there are no water comes out from the handpiece nozzle. Remember, dry the handpiece is very important. At the end of the working day, clean the sleeve that protect the needles from the triple jet and the double jet handpiece by placing the handpiece into a glass with a small quantity of 60-70% of medical alcohol. Make sure the medical alcohol covers only the sleeve area. Now leave in the medical alcohol for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove the sleeve from the medical alcohol. Now clean the handpiece by choosing one of the 3 options mentioned previously. Can be JetCare Hydro, distilled water, or mineral water. Clean the handpiece for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, make sure the handpiece is totally dry. If after cleaning the handpieces, you experience handpieces malfunction, place the handpieces into a glass of distilled water or mineral water for approximately 10 minutes. After, try the handpieces again. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.